Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I said this channel is basically going to consist about pranks, challenges, and makeup tutorials, but I thought about something. Since I don't know how to cook, like I literally don't know how to cook at all, I'm going to be learning how to cook with you guys watching. So today what's on the menu is going to be fries. So I'm going to make some fries. I know how to make fries. I made them once before, but this was like hella long time ago. So we're gonna make some fries, and we do have a special guest. So let me go bring her here.
Paula, que tú no fijas, hija.
I didn't know.
No, pues no, tú nunca sabes nada.
Okay, so this is an epic fail, dude. We're just starting right now. Oh, look. Made, my mom's gonna come.
Sí, porque si no lo hago, no hace nada y se cortan, se mueren, desangradas.
I want to interview my mom, and I'm going to ask her if I know how to cook. I have a brother too. Do I know how to cook?
No,
Why? Why do you say that?
porque nunca te pones, siempre te digo, come on, vamos a cocinar y dice, ay no, yo no cocino.
Pero cuando cocino, ¿cómo sabe mi comida? Pero te la comes.
Para que no se te
Oh
sentir
shit!
mal.
Okay, Ricardo, do I know how to cook? It's yes or no?
No.
And when I cook, my food tastes hecka good, huh?
No, it does not. You
What
put
is-
too much salt on the eggs. You don't cook your vegetables right. You can't even make a corn dog.
I can't cook a corn dog.
Do it right now.
No, shut up.
Oh, I need
Okay,
three.
bye. Today, what's on the menu is fries. I have to wash them first, right?
Wash them and then you do it.
Okay, I knew that. Throughout this video, I'm gonna ask for guidance because I don't know. So, you have to wash these first. I'm going to be using this pan to make my fries in. I'm going to put some oil in here, a good amount, and while the oil's heating up, I'll be peeling my potatoes. Ryan Little. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but I see the chef on Snapchat do it all the time. Hopefully it stays in place. So see that? He always does this like on Snapchat. Okay, we have the oil here. It's hecka hot. Okay, let's put this in. I'm kind of scared, so I'm gonna get the, I don't know what they're called. I like potatoes. Ooh. Yeah, I should have made them all like this. Damn, these are cooking hecka fast. Okay, I thought they were gonna take longer to cook, but they don't. Oh shit, I need to turn on the fire because it's hella hot. Let's turn on the fire a little bit. I'm also gonna get my little plate. I'm gonna grab this plate for my tongs. Oh yeah, they're called tongs. Duh. Okay, anyways, okay. Put my tongs on there for a little bit. Grab my napkin also. Put it on top. Yeah, I should have grabbed another one. Oh well. Okay, so this will be fine. I didn't put them all at the same time, so I have to already take some out. So that was how I was slow in putting them in. You get a little bit of salt. Just put some salt on top of them. Okay. I said a little bit, but I put some. Move these up. Gotta take them out because, like I said, I didn't put them all at the same time, so I have to take some of them out already, or else I'm gonna separate them just so I won't put some sauce on the ones that I already put some on. Even though I put this one first, I feel like I need more time. I don't know. You know, wait. I like mine to be like really crunchy. So like soft fries. I'm not sure if I'm even burning them. Okay, I'm gonna test. I'm gonna taste one because I don't know. Like these look brown, these look good, but I have no idea if I'm like literally burning them. Like I think it's time to take this one out, even though it's been in here for hella long. So I'm gonna take it out, even though it's kind of pale still. I'm gonna leave these in here. I'm gonna test these out. Oh, damn, these are hecka hard. Give me more time. Oh yeah, I will do. Okay. Heck no, all of these more. I'm gonna take the one that I bit. I'm gonna put this one off to the side. But all of these need more time. I literally thought these were done just because they were like brown. Okay, update. It's been like a while now. So I tasted one of these right now and they tasted good. So I'm gonna take the ones that are most brown out right now. Put some salt on them really quickly before they like cool down in the fries. The salt doesn't stick on it no more. I mean, I like mine salty. I like mine a little bit salty, like the way McDonald's make their fries. I love them fries. Okay, let's put a little bit more in here. Damn, okay. You know what? Let me put it on the board because I'm kind of scared that like the oil is gonna go everywhere. I'm gonna put this all in here. So put these as fast as I can. Damn, I should have put a lid over it. Oh my goodness, I have to put it here. I mean, I guess I don't need a lid, but I feel like it'll be faster. So. Put the lid on. I'm not sure if I'm even doing it right, but I'll wait. So let me show you guys the fries that I made. Oh, damn. Okay, these are the fries that I just made right now. They look so good. I'm going to try this one. So I'm going to be the first one that tries them. I'm going to try this big one right here because I made this one for me. So let me do that. I put too much salt, but it's okay. If you guys want to believe me, you guys could believe me, but I feel like these are the best fries I ever had. Okay, so let's have some people taste my fries. Try my fry. Hella good, huh? Best fries, huh? Are you lying? You're lying? Okay, no more.
No, it's good.
It's good, this guy. No,
You know how to pronounce.
Okay, thank you. I need to taste it. Yeah, I know it's like a best fries, huh? Better than McDonald's?
100% more better.
Better than Fire Wings? Taste these and tell me if... Taste these.
I'm scared.
Taste these and tell me if they're good. Best fries, huh? Best fries you ever tasted?
Too salty.
Okay, try these.
It's saltier than McDonald's.
Exactly. See, that's what I told you. I like my salt. I like my fries salty.
Bro, it's too much salt.
Really? Right here. Okay, this one. Because you didn't eat this one. I pointed out this one.
I'm cooking it though. This one?
Yeah. The big one, this one right here. No, this one, the big one right here.
It's good.
Hella good, huh? Best fries in the world?
No.
Best fries in the world?
Yes.
That's what I thought. That shit hella hot. Okay, I'm not gonna put the lid over. I thought the lid was gonna help, but I guess it didn't. So I'm just gonna leave it like without the lid because the lid's literally making it hella soft. Like, it's hella soft. I don't want that. Oh, it's crumbling in the potatoes.
These people love my fries, so I have to make them some more.
I'm gonna do this one. said, while the other ones are cooking, I'm gonna start washing these, cutting these up. So I was able to find these, so I'm just gonna use these.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Okay, I already took these out, and this is the last batch. I just have 2 more. They didn't all fit, so I just did it separately. And this is the final product. I have been eating them throughout the whole video, so let me admit that right now. Let me go ahead and try best fries in the world. You see? You guys see that lines? Oh yeah. Okay, let me eat some right now. They look hella good. Let me tell you guys something. 5 stars. 5 stars right here. These are hella good. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys found it entertaining. Because first of all, I do not know how to cook, but I want to learn how. So I feel like this is going to be a good way to do it. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to see more cooking videos, please let me know down in the comment section what I should make next. Nothing too crazy. I'm just a beginner. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.